Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. More on this channel is doing my trade setup on my trade pairs, and this is a video of my trade yesterday. This particular trade was not exactly the kind of trade I do take, but I think it was more logical than pattern I did trade. So the trade was more or less like I saw XAUUSD already met all buy target at the moment, so I'm looking at a quick retracement to a certain level so that from there I expect market to buy from there, and that was just exactly what I saw on the chart, and that was exactly what I traded. But here was my mistake. First of all, I calculated the SL and saw it was within my SL limit, but my balance was a little less than the SL size. So as market entered the SL, I thought maybe at this moment I can now start entering my trades and others. So I took the first position, and first position was already in a little loss. And from my calculation, like maybe let me just say from what I think, the trade was already in a place where I feel like okay, now it's saturated and likely going to drop from there. So I entered the second position from there. Like it was like the moment I'm entering the second position, the moment the account was gone, and that was just like a $2.11 account. So I intended to just flip the account because from my target there, it was like a 1:5 risk reward trade. So which means that if the trade should have played out, that dollar should be running in 20 plus dollar profit. So that was just what I expected to, see myself doing yesterday. Yeah, the trade went well, but it didn't go well from my entry. So the account was gone before the trade even started dropping, and it was just a very painful experience. I just have to watch the trade play out without me being in trade again. And even on the second account I was trading, I was thinking, okay, should I enter? But I have to maintain discipline, which is I shouldn't risk more than this in a day. Okay, so once this one is down, trying to take a second trade, whether it will play out or it will not play out well, me at the moment wasn't expecting myself to to still be in a trade, because this trading thing works with more psychology and emotional, like your mental mindset. So you're putting your sanity in place whenever you are trading. And just imagine trade where you don't feel comfortable and you feel disturbed, and you still you still play the trade and try to be in the trade. So on the long run, if you do something like that, you are likely less going to be profitable. So we just need to cut off some of those things that we did in the past, and it stalled our profitability. And now we're just making progress to get to the next stage of this trading life. So this is the trade, and this is exactly the kind of a breakdown of the trade. And I would like to give you this full breakdown so you too will learn from it and know that there are times whereby not that you are wrong maybe in your directional bias, but markets might not be able to go in your direction from the moment you enter the trade. And maybe if you are trading with a mental stop loss, yeah, you might win the trade, but regardless, you just see everything as part of the trading process, and you have to accept it and move on over to the next trade. That was already a lesson taught yesterday and adding to my experience. So next time I feel that I will do better. Yeah, I will do better in this trading thing. So until next time, this is Jovian King Trades, and I wish you the best trading day. This should be 13th of June. I don't know when you see this video. But till then, Jovian King Trades. Bye bye.